Hello and welcome to my video. I hope that you're all doing fine. This is Sara with Learn Urdu with Sara. I put videos every week about Urdu grammar, Urdu expressions and phrases. I'm a professional Urdu teacher and I teach online. Today I'm going to teach you the present continuous tense in Urdu. I'm very excited for that. It's pretty simple, so don't worry. So I have made a video about present habitual tense or present simple tense. I'll put the link somewhere in the description or on the screen. And there I discuss the verbs. So the verbs in Urdu are ending with na. For example, dekhna or karna, which is to do. In English, they are preceded by to. To do is karna. So karna, dekhna, khana, peena, chalna, bhagna, dorna, these are all the verbs. Now we have to conjugate them into present continuous tense or in any other tense. We have to derive the verb from them. How are we going to do that? We're just going to remove the na, and the thing that is left is called the verbal stem. The verbal stem is very important in Urdu because we add different suffixes with it to make different tenses and different constructions. So here, to make the present continuous tense, we are going to add the suffix rahi, raha and rahe. The choice of the suffix depends upon the number and the gender of the subject of the sentence. Remember, the present continuous is used for the actions that are ongoing, the actions that are occurring in the present, or the actions that will occur in the near future or the immediate future, just like in English. Because Urdu is an Indo-European language and is derived from the same family as English. Therefore, it has the same number of tenses, probably some extra tenses. So participles and infinitives are also the same as English. So, for example, we were discussing the verb karna. This is kar, which is the verbal stem. To make the present continuous tense, we have to add the suffix rahi, raha and rahe. So it will become kar rahi, कर रहा and कर रहे. मैं कर रही हूँ. I am doing. He is used for the feminine singular as well as plural. Raha is used for the male singular and rahe is used for the masculine singular as well as plural. So for the males there are two suffixes and for a female there's only one suffix rahi. So I work. I'm working. मैं काम कर रही हूँ. I'm working. मैं देख रही हूँ. I'm watching. If I'm a man, I'll say मैं देख रहा हूँ. If I'm with men, I'll say हम काम कर रहे हैं. We are doing work. So it's very simple. You do it with every verb. And let's see here. Here we are taking the verb banana. In English it's funny because in English it's banana and in Urdu it's banana, which is to make. We conjugate it into the verb or the verbal stem bana and we put it with different suffix. Here मैं बना रहा हूँ, I'm making, मैं बना रही हूँ for feminine singular, तुम बना रहे हो, तुम बना रही हो, आप बना रहे हैं, आप बना रही हैं, ये बना रहे हैं, ये बना रही है, ये बना रहा है, ये बना रही है. So you can add different complex things. For example, ये painting बना रही है, ये spaghettis बना रही है. Now let's see in the case of plural masculine and plural feminine. हम बना रहे हैं, हम बना रही हैं, तुम बना रहे हो, तुम बना रही हो, आप बना रहे हैं, आप बना रही हैं, ये बना रहे हैं, ये बना रही हैं. So both are actually similar. If you see them, both of them are similar. It's just that I want to make them organized and so I put them into different pages. Let's see another verb, which is jana. Very important verb, to go. Jana. How are you going to say I'm going? Let's see here. मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रही हूँ, तुम जा रहे हो, तुम जा रही हो, आप जा रहे हैं, आप जा रही हैं, वो जा रहे हैं, वो जा रही हैं, वो जा रहा है, वो जा रही है. Here you can see that for the formal we use rahe and with the informal we use raha. Except in the case with tum, this is a bit irregular, but it does happen with Urdu and Hindi. With tum, we also use the formal case. Tum ja rahe ho. Kya tum baag ja rahe ho? Are you going to the park? Nahi, main baag nahi ja raha. No, I'm not going to the park. So you put the negative particle before the verb. मैं पार्क नहीं जा रहा हूँ, और मैं पार्क नहीं जा रही हूँ if because I'm a female. Or you can also say I'm going to the mall. मैं mall जा रहा हूँ, मैं खरीद रही हूँ, which means I'm buying. So I'm going to put a lot of verbs on the screen, and these verbs conjugate them into present continuous tense, and it will be fun. Consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you like this video or you learn anything from this video. I make videos every week and it will motivate me to make more Urdu grammar videos, Urdu slangs, Urdu phrases and expressions, very colloquial, that are used in daily life. So I'll put more videos for elementary, intermediate and advanced learners as well, using just Urdu phrases and Urdu language. So have a really lovely day, and goodbye, and thank you for watching.